Hi folks, this is my beautiful KTM 1290 GT 2023 year model. This is fitted with the Akrapovic exhaust with cat and no decibel killer. I bought this all new, and the upgrades I have done to it is new screen from WRS and custom-made SP Connect phone holder, designed and 3B printed by me. I have also made rim trims and a bag holder, bought from online. I also have change made to the license plate holder with minimalistic turn signals. I will now start it up, so you can hear the beautiful sound of the Akrapovic exhaust system. But before I do, take a look around the bike of the upgrades I have made.